Here we go. Puff the magic dragon lived by the sea and frolicked in the autumn mist in a land called Honolulu. Little Jackie Paper loved that rascal Puff and brought him strings and sealing wax and other fancy stuff. Together we will go our way, together we will leave someday, together your hand in my hand, together we will make our plans, together we will fly so high, together tell all our friends goodbye, together we will start life new, together this is what we'll do. Children, to a story that was written long ago about a kingdom on a mountain and the valley folk below. On the mountain was a treasure buried deep beneath a stone, and the valley people swore they'll have it for their very own. Bless the day I found you, I want to stay around you, and so I beg you, let it be. Don't take this heaven from one, if you must cling to someone now and forever. Let it be. Here's to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here, but you're not, 'cause the dreams bring back all the memories, everything we've been through. Toast to the ones here today. Toast to the ones that we lost on the way, 'cause the dreams bring back all the memories, and the memories bring back you. Oh. See the stone set in your eyes, see the thorn twist in your side, and I'll wait for you. Sleight of hand and twist of fate, on a bed of nails she makes me wait, and I'll wait without you. Thank you, Marliese.
That was fun.
That was great.
So I want you to